guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today is 1st May. So we corporate Majdoors have holiday and I'm going out somewhere. It's Mall of Asia. Let's see how the day goes. It's not about honey, honey, honey. It's about money, money, money. Everyone look to your right. Everyone look to your left. So now we are going to Mall of Asia and Abba is also there. Ba? કારમાં ફરવાની મજા આવે છે ગુડ તો બહાર ફરવા જવું છે ઓહો so she is like हाँ मजा आ रहा है इसीलिए तो मैंने हाँ बोला so yes now we are going Mall of Asia to try the dal mona's pasta so it is in house they make it fresh so I wanted to try that let's go try that
Basically, they make everything from scratch, right? Like the pasta and all also. Homemade,
Yes.
isn't it?
It's homemade and then there'll be some 3 to 4 types of pasta I'll show you there how it is
हाँ, homemade pasta, sauce, બધું. Yes.
તમને ત્યાં જ જઈને દેખાડીશ मम्मी को पता नहीं था गाइस अभी YouTube के कॉन्टेक्ट होते थे उनको पता चल गया
एंड वन मोर थिंग अभी हमने पेट्रोल एंड गैस सब भरा लिया है सो अभी यहाँ से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारी जर्नी टू मॉल ऑफ एशिया
air
कार में गैस ना
no car has gas but that is something AC gas this is called air
चलो
Sick, feeling sicker than you know. Killed a bird without a stone. Taught the dog to throw a bone. For a while.
So what we did was to save our parking amount. So I think we would have saved around 150-200. So this is the Mall of Asia, and उसके बाजू में एक गली है. We have parked our car here, and now we will just go walking, and we saved the money. And this is the parking zone. If you see, everyone has parked here. Wait, let me show. Do you see all this? They are also there, and then they have parked it here. બા મજા આવે છે હા મોલ ફરવા આવ્યા છે બા We are finally here.
He's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid. Just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about a half-cut dated metaphor and lady made her cry.
Hi guys, so we are here. We are gonna try this Del Mora's pasta. So what we have done is I have chosen, we can choose from this anything, and I have chosen this according to their recommendation. So I'm trying this pasta and I asked them which one is the creamiest and cheesiest they have in veg. They told me this, and so this one has truffle cream with cheese sauce, fresh mushrooms, sun-dried tomatoes and mini fried potatoes. Let's try this.
I'm sleeping like a babe.
So they have added nachos, mushrooms, sun-dried. So guys, it's abhi garam hai, but this is mushroom sun-dried and potato chips. They had told, let's see, अंदर होगा कहीं पे, and they have served it with nachos. It's normal nachos which you get in the market. Let's try this. Hey guys, so here's sun-dried tomatoes are very nice. यहाँ के सबसे यूनिक और अच्छे sun-dried tomatoes. It's very nice.
It's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home. start the day. Have standing on the space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimated.
I have taken blueberry soda, goli soda. Guys, that is the goli soda. Bro, it's not that hard. I am just a girl in this world. Bro, both हाथ से पकड़ी ना. Yes.
ओके गाइस, तो अभी हम मॉल घूम के आ चुके हैं, हमने खाना सब खा लिया है एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग बैक होम एंड अपेरेंटली इट्स रेनिंग. सो या, it's actually really nice to drive when it's raining, so I'll show you guys this.
Hey, what a way to start the day. Have standing on the space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid, just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night. You made a joke about a half-cut dated metaphor, and lately made her cry. My luck's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot at home.
So we are finally home, and now I will be giving you a summary of my day and what I think of these places. So first I went to Dalmona's restaurant.
I was just giving the placement of the place which he's talking about. The first place.
Okay, the first one. So over there was a menu starting from 199 as well, but I ordered the costliest one that went up to 515 for one pasta. It was a truffle cream pasta because truffle is usually costly everywhere. So yeah, there were pasta from 200, but I ordered the one, and I felt that it was a bit pricey because the quantity and the price didn't match. But yeah, truffle sauce is spicy, but coming to the quality, it was nice. It was top notch. Even pasta, you would see on the video, it is naturally made. It is on the spot. It's hygienic. Even here, sun-dried tomato which they gave, it was very nice. Usually, if you see in other places, right, that the skin taste you would be getting it. I mean the dried skin, but here it was very nice and juicy sun-dried tomato. I loved it. So the quality wise, it's very good, but quantity is was the issue. Because I had ordered that flat pasta, and I think if you ordered the other one, which is like looks like a macaroni, then I think they give you
something.
then they would give you filled one almost. But since I had ordered that, if you see the box se bhi, it was a bit down, like it was in the mid. But if you ordered the other pasta, it will be, I think it came to a few people when I saw it was up. So maybe that could also be the reason. But taste was good. I mean, if you see in white sauce, right, there's not much difference. It's hardly, I think 20% difference hoga. So it was normal like white sauce only. Truffle, we didn't get any extra taste as well.
Wait.
huh.
I'll give my review. Very honest review. So I'm not a pasta person. She is. She likes pasta.
Yeah.
But I think it was not that great. Okay, like she liked it, everything, and it's like people have different tastes, so it's okay. But personally, I have had better pasta with cheaper cost and like better you can say cheese or better flavor. You could say this was like truffle, so maybe some people like it and some people don't. So it could be personally based on taste. But I think it was like a okayish pasta, yeah. But she likes tomatoes and all those fancy stuff, so maybe that's why she liked it. Yeah, I like the sun-dried tomatoes. I don't like them, so maybe that's why.
No, but here's sun-dried. Have you tried this sun-dried?
I
It was
tried.
amazing.
It was good, but I don't like it personally. So maybe उसके वजह से शायद पसंद नहीं आया.
But I'm a pasta
okayish.
person. She's a pizza person.
Yeah, so you can say
yeah, I liked
better.
it. But that's what I'm saying. That white sauce pasta, it is, what do you call?
You can't add much flavor except salt and cheese. So you can't expect much.
Yeah, and also there was just 20% difference in. Even if I had taken some pasta starting from 350 and this one, I would feel that there would be a very minor difference. So
And
here I was tasting
one
it for
more
you
thing.
people. Huh.
We took it because the guy had recommended it. Okay, so we asked them which is the best one, and they said to take this one. So that's why we took so we could actually make a fair judgment about how the pasta place is.
So it was their recommended. So I told them that I'm looking for something cheesy and the creamiest one. So then he recommended me that one. Or else I was going with Alfredo and one more
Some
cheesy,
savory
something like that. But he told me no, this is the cheesiest and creamy. So I tried, but it was nice.
It was nice, but
Yeah.
okayish for me.
Okay, done. And then we went to, so my mom and my sister wanted to have something North Indian. So then we went to Sangeeta. And after that, since we ate this so we didn't have our lunch. So this was our lunch and dinner type. Then I got my free burrito. I stopped at California Burrito and I got my free burrito. And then I had it now. So this was my day.
So yeah, basically a 10 on 10 holiday.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
It's not a holiday, but yeah, a day off.
holiday, day off is same, right?
Or a leave. I mean, it was
Whatever.
1st May, so May.
Labor Day. Bye guys.
Bye.
See you.